This is Justin Case of American Newscape, joining our friend and book wrangler, Sarah Wisdom, bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Hello, Sarah. Welcome back to American Newscape.
Thank you. It's always nice to talk with you.
Always nice to talk to you, Sarah. So let's get after this. What's happening at our libraries?
Yes, well, this week we've got a couple of cool programs happening. The first one is at our Somerton Library on Tuesday. They're inviting teens to the library at 3 p.m., basically to build R2D2. I'm geeking out. I wish I was a teen. Probably one of the most iconic robots ever, right? So they
Well,
have a LittleBits droid kit, and basically what you get to do is build a mini R2D2 and do some simple programming to bring him to life. I always wished I had him to do my math homework when I was in high school. I figured he could handle it.
well, you being so young, we remember the robot from Lost in Space. Now that was a robot with real personality.
Yes.
Okay.
Not
Well,
bloops and bleeps.
yeah, okay. Well, that's pretty exciting for the that was preteens or teens?
For teens, 13
Okay.
to 18.
All right, teens, get out there and build your robots.
Yes.
Okay.
Coming up at the San Luis Library on Wednesday, they are hosting a resume workshop. And this is really timely because we actually have another job fair coming up on October 6th. So this is a chance for you to polish your resume up, update it. It used to be you could have one resume and submit it for everything, and that's just not the case anymore. Almost every job application requires at least some fine tuning of your resume to make sure that you're really focusing on the experience and education that you have to match the job that you're applying for. So it's great to have several versions of your resume these days, and the San Luis Library is standing by to help.
Yeah, and I would encourage people that are very comfortable where they are to keep those skills and keep those resumes current, because if that magical opportunity comes along, you don't want to have to be scrambling to get your resume together. So forever understand what that's about. And it has changed dramatically over the last couple decades.
Yes, incredibly.
Okay. What else, Sarah?
Well, last but not least, we have a study group that is kicking off the first Saturday in October at our Wellton Library. We have a new teen services staff member out there, and he is launching a study group for students who are getting ready to take the ACT or SAT. And you might be one of those people that you think you're good studying on your own, but a little group accountability never hurts. So this might be a great opportunity for you to really dedicate some time and study with others, quiz each other, and help each other prepare for these very important tests.
Well, well, that sounds like a great opportunity out there in Welton, and I assume if you're in Dateland, you can sneak over there too.
I'll bet they'd let you in.
Okay. All right, everybody. This has been Justin Case and Sarah Wisdom bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Thanks for joining us. Remember, additional information and links are provided in this video's Read More. Today's the day to subscribe to this channel. Please support book wranglers, libraries, and librarians everywhere.